And while that's lighting up, I think workflow is one of those things that in the past was a little bit of a bridge too far for a lot of organizations that felt that it was confining, and that by defining a workflow, it really wasn't an automation or a work aid product. It was actually invoking some kind of governance or structure that people didn't want to have. I think PowerApps makes it a lot more fluid and flexible. And then last thing is, we're from the work from home, or at least the part-time work from home model. I do think we all recognize that workflow is the only way to keep things moving forward when people are in and out at different times. So we're in a different world now with workflow, or basic, I'd call it business process automation. Workflow may be the word that people get a little bit nervous about.
Yeah, business process automation, because these tools, are not only leveraging workflow capabilities or the ability to move something along to the next step, or send somebody a notification or an email, or branch off if some decision is made. They're also collecting a lot of the data that we're using for the reporting.